Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside some of the most breathtaking luxury homes across the United States. Today, we are stepping into a world of sophistication, elegance, and Hollywood perfection. A $45 million ultra-luxury mansion located in the heart of Beverly Hills, directly facing the legendary Hollywood sign. This home isn't just a place to live, it's a rare piece of architectural art reserved for those who expect nothing but the very best. As we begin our tour, take a moment to absorb the majestic exterior of this Beverly Hills masterpiece. With its modern glass facade, perfectly manicured gardens, and grand symmetrical design, the mansion makes an unforgettable first impression. The golden hour sunlight washes over the exterior walls, creating a cinematic glow that feels straight out of a Hollywood film. This is the kind of home that announces its presence long before you step inside. Moving toward the entrance, the oversized pivot door and polished marble pathway set the stage for the luxury that awaits inside. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a double-height foyer with floor-to-ceiling glass walls, allowing natural light to flood every corner. The open-concept design connects the entire home in one seamless flow, making the interior feel both expansive and intimate at the same time. To the right, the formal living room showcases elegance at its finest. With panoramic views of Los Angeles, designer furniture, a marble fireplace, and high ceilings, this space is crafted for both entertaining and relaxation. Every element, from the textures to the lighting, reflects world-class craftsmanship and interior design mastery. Next, we move into the state-of-the-art chef's kitchen, a dream for anyone who loves hosting. The massive marble island, high-end stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and soft ambient lighting make this space feel luxurious yet warm. Directly connected is the dining area, featuring a grand 12-seat dining table under a beautiful chandelier. Whether it's a quiet family dinner or a glamorous Hollywood event, this dining space is built to impress. Stepping deeper into the home, we enter the entertainment areas, including a sophisticated TV lounge, a cozy family living room, and a full home cinema equipped with plush seating, surround sound, and a giant projection screen. This mansion blends lifestyle and luxury with flawless precision. Whether you want a peaceful evening or a cinematic experience, everything is just moments away. No Beverly Hills mansion is complete without a luxury garage, and this home delivers exactly that. With LED lighting, polished epoxy flooring, and space for multiple supercars, the garage feels more like a private showroom. For high-end living, even your cars deserve luxury. Now we explore the private quarters, starting with the master suite, a sanctuary unlike any other. Featuring a king-size bed, soft neutral tones, massive windows overlooking the Hollywood Hills, and direct access to a private terrace, this bedroom offers the perfect blend of comfort and glamour. The master bathroom is equally impressive. Marble floors, a freestanding bathtub, gold fixtures, a rainfall shower, and illuminated mirrors make it feel like a five-star spa. Additional bedrooms maintain the same level of luxury, each with high-end finishes, spacious layouts, and breathtaking views. Whether hosting guests, family, or friends, every room reflects quality and elegance. For health and wellness, the home includes a private fitness gym, equipped with premium workout machines, mirrored walls, and modern lighting, giving you the freedom to train at home whenever you want. Now, let's head outside to the highlight of this property, the resort style backyard. The moment you step out, you're greeted by an infinity pool that appears to flow straight into the skyline of Los Angeles. Surrounded by palm trees, lush gardens, and luxury lounge areas, this outdoor space is designed for relaxation, parties, and unforgettable sunsets. Whether it's daytime sunbathing or nighttime gatherings under the stars, the atmosphere here is magical. And speaking of nighttime, the mansion transforms completely after dark. Soft exterior lighting illuminates the walls, the pool glows with a serene blue reflection, and the Hollywood sign sparkles in the distance. It feels like your own private slice of Los Angeles luxury. This $45 million Beverly Hills mega mansion represents everything the world imagines when they think of Hollywood wealth, style, and prestige. From the architectural brilliance to the interior craftsmanship, every inch of this home speaks the language of luxury. Thank you for watching this exclusive tour on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed exploring this extraordinary property, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible mansion tours from across the United States. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and keep watching American Dream Mansions.